Let me wipe off.
Well, here's where we are. So last night we came out, tried to start the 928, and it was just cranking and cranking and cranking. I used some starter fluid inside the air box there, and the engine would fire up for just a brief moment and then stop. So we thought maybe it's a fuel problem. So we're checking on the fuel pump in the rear. Didn't hear anything. Thought, all right. So we jacked up the car, got underneath, took off the plate, ran a test wire. It was getting power. So we went online. What, to Renlist was it?
I think it was Renlist. I'm talking about dudes with the same problem when their fuel pumps, they won't start. So the next step is relays. So you check it from the back working forward. So we've got power to the fuel pump. Next step is our relay and fuse. So what was suggested is to swap out the horn relay with the fuel pump relay. And those are right down here. Here, I'll get the number 20 swapped out. That's the fuel pump. Number 20 swapped out with number 12, which is the horn. So we turn the battery back on. It looks like the horn doesn't work, so maybe our fault is right here. So we'll give it a shot.
All right, we're gonna give it a try here and try to crank it over.
See if the relay works.
All right, so I'll crank it. Still don't hear the fuel pump.
Well, here, put the.
All right.
Well,
We'll
listen.
all right.
I'll get down. Ready?
Yeah, give it a try.